Hi, hello, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about hair care, do's and don'ts. Actually, the thing is nowadays shampoos are all are chemical. Almost they might have advertised a lot, but you might have seen the ingredients. Definitely, sulfates, paraffin materials. Always it will be. It may give temporary shiny and softness of your hair, but definitely it will make an hair fall in future. The second thing is food. Always lifestyle and food style is entirely different across youngsters nowadays. We have to avoid those kind of things. We have to follow your correct diet, uh, especially in the morning. That is, the breakfast is very important. We should not avoid that. The third one is hair oil. See, in the hair oil also you might have seen the ingredients. They might put that as a mineral oil. Mineral oil which is not at all good for hair care. You have to use that cultural, culturally produced coconut oil. Means to say pure coconut oil you have to use it. And not at all applying that oil. That is the aim. So they are applying oil, especially monthly once in that manner. We have to avoid. You have to apply oil at night and morning you can wash it out. That's not an issue. But you do at least weekly 2 times or 3 times if it is possible. That is. The fourth one is stress. Nowadays we all are having stress. All from the small boy to a biggest old man. It might be about education or something else, um, career development, family life, family settlement, all those it will, that stress has to be avoided. And as we did discuss it about, that is a food style also. I mean to say, nutrition food we are not at all eating. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what we can do for this hair care. Okay, shampooing. You can go for Ayurvedic shampoo, especially if you are across Tamil Nadu region. You can get a better Khadi product. The shampoo name is Rice, RISE. That's pure aloe vera shampoo. Actually, the Khadi food itself, they are manufacturing this thing. Or else, if you are across other state of India also, each and every state will be having the Khadi board, and they are doing that better Khadi products than other corporate companies. So you can go for it definitely. And the second thing is food style and lifestyle. Yes, nowadays we are not at all eating the food at the right time. That is important. Breakfast it has to be within 9 o'clock in the morning. Lunch it has to be within 2 o'clock in the afternoon. At night, especially within 9 o'clock, if you do, your health will be encapsulated by the nature. Okay, yes. The fourth one is stress, as we had discussed that before. So the stress you can avoid by the meditation, and some mudras are there, and you can do the pranayam also. If you are already well versed in the meditation, you please go for it. Or else, if you want any more clarification about which mudra I have to use, which pranayama I have to use in this manner, if you have doubt, please comment me in the comment box and I will help you. And it comes into that important one, which is the food, I mean to say nutrition, I had told, right? Nutrition you can get especially from the organic foods. I don't want you to go for very costly organic food. Let's continue with your regular available goods across the market. That is enough. Why? Because hair is made up of protein in the form of keratin, so that the reason hair need many amount of proteins to maintain its regular activities. So what we can do, you can go for paneer, fish, and dairy products. All the dairy products are having more number of proteins, pulses, lentils, and especially iron. Iron will stop the hair fall. So but if you are taking iron content food also, it needs to absorb by the body by the help of vitamin C. Vitamin C, which is contains lemon, orange, all the citrus varieties food, especially amla, I mean to say Indian gooseberry. So in this food you have to add in your regular diet. And let's comes into iron content, which is having dates and all the varieties of spinaches, especially moringa tree. Nowadays in the foreign countries, what they are doing means, they had announced moringa tree leaves as a superfood, and they are adding in their diet regular format by the form of tablets, which is exporting from India. But for us now, it is by the grace of nature we are getting regularly. Please use it. And after the iron and vitamin C, that is the minerals, and another vitamins are important, which is having at nuts, from the peanut to walnut, as per corresponding to your budget as well as corresponding to your taste acceptance by you can choose anything else. So these and all the things you have to add in your regular diet to get a better hair care. In case if you want any more clarity or doubt, you can please comment me in the comment box. I will advise you. Please do follow this and get a healthiest atmosphere. Bye then, take care. We'll meet you in another video.